So over here you can see that I am in the query design area, and if I were to go around dragging the price and keep it in the field, I can go around into view and I can see the price right here. But let's say I want to have calculations of the data that I have right here. So in order to have the calculations in different ways, you can enable something called totals. So you can go around onto view for that, and over here while the field is selected, you can go around onto the top where it says totals. So you can go around over here and click on the totals button right here. So once you do that, here you can see totals is active, and now you can choose different options right here. So right now, if I were to click on view, you see all of the price datas. But if I were to go around into totals, you can see that there are different options right here. So let's say I want to go around and sum the values in totals. So once I choose sum and go to view, you can see that all of the price has been summed out and you got the data right here. You can go around over here, and then instead of sum, you can go for average as well. So now you can see the average price as you can see right here. Similarly, you can go for the minimum value, which is 220. You can go around over here into maximum value right here, which is 890 as you can see right here. So what you can do is you can go for sum right here, drag in another price over here, and over here you can go around and then average it out. Gonna drag around price over here, and this is going to be minimum value right here. Drag around the price right here, and over here this is going to be the max value. Drag around the price right here, and similarly you can go around add and count right here, first and last and so forth as you can see. So you can just go around and choose different total values. So once you go to view, now you can see that the sum of price is 4022, average is 502.75, and then minimum price is 220, maximum of price is 890, and the count of prices, the total prices are 8 as you can see right there. And that is how you can use totals in query inside of Microsoft Access. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.